I don't know whether it's me or everybody else, but the state of the English, the way that they've written this headline, just tabloid sensationalism, except it's on the bloody internet. So let's just look through this title a second. British households are told to prepare for blackouts as coronavirus lockdown goes on. To prepare for blackouts is what they're saying there, and then of course they double it up there. We're told to prepare for blackouts by keeping torches and warm clothes handy. What this means is that the National Grid has obviously got in contact with vulnerable people. So let's just get a little bit deeper into this a minute, okay? Energy firms have suspended all non-essential work. Well, of course, they're rationalising their workforce. They're ready just in case 25% of their staff get sick or get isolated because their families are sick, okay? So, yeah. And then underneath, as sought to reassure the British public, it can cope with the surge in demand as people stay indoors and work from home. Well, not only that, possibly there's less factories working or there's less actual industry going on. However, UK power networks, whoever they are, which provide electricity to the South East and England, whatever, have written to vulnerable customers on advice on what to do if there is a power cut. So the if, or the possibility of, should have been in that. British households are told to prepare if there's a blackout as coronavirus lockdown goes on. See how the fucking sensational, prepare for blackouts. That's a definite sort of, it's coming sort of attitude. And then they double it up by saying it again, to prepare for blackouts. Now, prepare in case there's a blackout. Oh, I tell you, like, oh, there's a torch. Oh, surely we know how to keep the fridge door shut now. Sensationalism. Prepare if there's a blackout, guys. If there's a blackout. That's what we do. We're preppers. I tell you, absolute wind up. And underneath, I expect the language will change again. Yeah, we know about thermal regulation. Yeah. Closing curtains. Keep a power bank fully charged. Yeah, we've already been there. Yeah, we said that, yeah. It'll change. Yeah, of course, if a guy's going to go in there, put simply, our top two priorities are the safety of our staff and customers and keeping the lights on. Oh, they already know to keep the lights on. And then Nicholas Shaw, for the National Grid, has insisted no one should be concerned about their energy supply as more of us stay at home. Oh. No one should be concerned. Well, we're preppers, so we're there in case. So that headline there, to prepare for the most awesome certainty that there will be blackouts. There might be. In fact, demand across the country is expected to reduce, largely owing to a decrease in energy from industrial consumers. Other energies include Northwest and Western Power Distribution have reassured customers they have extensive and robust plans to minimise an impact. And the Scottish says special measures. And obviously we're going to prioritise public service size hospitals, nursing homes, food supply chains, MOD and prisons. I could dare say what the reactions are going to be, possibly quoting the crapness of this journalist. Top reactions. Someone else is a bit sensible. Like, I have no issues whatsoever. The first one, in fact, the majority of our staff are willing to work. Yeah, I remember the 70s. God. Newspaper. Yeah. trusty independent to muster up even more fear, doom and gloom, give it a rest. Well, it's like, I'm a prepper, so pessimism or, you know, suspicion is part of what we're doing. But that's just going to really wind people up and get people more worried and stressed, more so than it needs to be. And when we're all stuck in home, already got enough worrying things going on, those who are, you know, depression, isolation, that is the crap that you don't need to be ridden. Households need to prepare in case of a blackout, even though they're, you know, virtually guaranteeing supply. Just, you know, keep a torch handy, everybody, and remember to keep the fridge shut. It's a door, you keep the fridge shut. So once again, geez, I get paid for that.